This video captures a dangerous incident inside a busy repair shop, serving as a serious reminder of the critical importance of safety protocols when working with machinery and vehicles. While a mechanic was checking the front of the vehicle, the truck unexpectedly moved forward, pinning the individual against the wall. Bystanders immediately rushed over to provide assistance, highlighting the necessity of rapid response in emergency situations. This event underscores the vital need for stringent safety measures. Always ensure the parking brake is firmly engaged, the transmission is in the correct gear, and the vehicle is completely secure before beginning any repair work. Taking these precautions is essential to prevent devastating accidents and ensure a safe working environment for everyone involved in automotive maintenance. In a production hall, a large metal coil is being lifted and transported in the air by an overhead crane. At first, the operation appears controlled as the crane lowers the load toward its position. On a machine, a worker nearby is observing the placement of the coil. However, at the moment the crane changes direction, the suspended load loses alignment. The coil makes contact with the machine frame, loses its balance and becomes unstable. The load rapidly falls toward the ground and slides a short distance before coming to a stop. Standing under or near suspended loads is extremely dangerous. Loads moved by crane should be guided using taglines, and workers must remain outside the drop zone. A safe area should be established around the load movement with only essential personnel present. This footage documents a serious safety breach where a CNC machine operator stepped onto the machine bed during an active cycle, causing the automated gantry to pin him against the wall, trapped by mechanical pressure. He was only freed when nearby colleagues intervened to manually shift the component. This incident underscores the necessity of maintaining safe boundaries and never entering a machine's operating envelope while it is active, as automated logic may not detect obstructions. All inspections or adjustments must occur at a complete standstill. Using lockout, tagout, ITLOTO protocols, rapid team response, and knowledge of emergency stops are critical for rescue. Furthermore, facilities should implement physical barriers or light curtains to prevent accidental entry into high-risk zones. Safety must always come first to prevent such life-altering accidents. This footage captures a critical safety incident involving an industrial press in full operation. Due to a brief lapse in situational awareness while attempting to adjust a small detail, a worker moved directly into the machine's danger zone. As the equipment cycled downward, a severe accident occurred because established safety perimeters were breached. This serves as a vital reminder that even a second of distraction or complacency around high-pressure machinery can lead to life-altering consequences. To ensure workplace protection, you must maintain safe clearance and never place any part of your body near moving components or pinch points while the machine is powered. Utilize machine guarding such as physical barriers or light curtains to prevent accidental entry. Combat complacency by staying vigilant and always implement lockout, tagout, LOTO protocols before any inspection. The video captures a critical safety incident where a worker operating a high-speed plastic film winding machine was pulled into the equipment. After his loose clothing caught on a rotating spindle, the mechanical force caused him to spin repeatedly until a quick-thinking colleague hit the emergency stop button. This serves as a vital reminder for industrial personnel to prioritize safety. Key precautions include wearing well-fitted attire, tucking in shirts, and avoiding loose garments, and maintaining a strict clearance from all moving drive components and gears. Operators must remain vigilant, as entanglement happens too fast for manual reaction. Furthermore, knowing the exact location of emergency stop buttons is essential for every team member. Safety is a full-time commitment. Never let a moment of complacency lead to a life-altering accident. Put safety first. This video serves as a powerful cautionary tale, Regarding occupational safety during forklift operation, the footage captures a hazardous scenario where an operator attempts to lift a heavy load exceeding the vehicle's rated capacity, compromising its balance as the forks rise. The center of gravity shifts abruptly, causing the rear wheels to lift instead of lowering the load. The operator continues, leading to a tip-over. Fortunately, the driver jumped clear. Just in time to prevent, this operators must respect the safe working load, SWL, and understand the stability triangle. If the rear lifts, lower the load immediately. Experts advise staying inside during a tip-over, grip the wheel, and lean away rather than jumping. This accident was completely preventable. The construction workers shouldn't have been on that scaffold without harnesses, and the crane operator should never have lifted a load so close to the scaffold because they ignored these basic rules. A small bump turned into a dangerous fall. A dockyard crane is lifting a large boat when one of the forward slings appears to slip. The boat loses its balance and plunges bow first toward the ground. This factory worker chose a barrel as a seat right next to a drop-off, and once he drifted off, there was nothing to stop him from falling. A dangerous incident occurred at Textile Factory when a worker operating a large fabric rolling machine got their clothing caught in the rotating machinery. The machine quickly pulled the worker, causing them to be spun around the roller multiple times before colleagues rushed to stop the equipment. This alarming scenario highlights the severe risks associated with operating industrial machinery without adequate safety precautions. This situation serves as an urgent warning about the importance of workplace safety protocols. It is absolutely essential to ensure that all machinery has proper safeguarding, such as emergency stop buttons and guards, to prevent accidental contact with moving parts. Additionally, workers must strictly adhere to safety procedures, including wearing appropriate clothing that cannot be caught in machinery and maintaining a safe distance from rotating components. Failure to follow these measures can result in catastrophic injuries. Would you like me to generate a checklist of safety measures for industrial machinery to help prevent accidents like this? The video demonstrates a real-world application of advanced safety technology when a worker in a warehouse setting loses their footing and falls to the floor immediately. The AI-powered smart monitoring system identifies the incident and triggers them, and downfall detected alert. This real-time notification allowed nearby co-workers to respond instantly and provide necessary assistance. This event underscores the vital role that modern surveillance technology plays in optimizing workplace safety and ensuring rapid emergency response. Utilizing automated alert systems ensures that emergencies are detected the moment they happen, significantly reducing response times. Furthermore, facility floors must be inspected and cleaned regularly to remove spills that cause slip and fall hazards, ensuring walkways remain clear. Employees should be trained in coordination protocols to follow once an AI system triggers an alert, and they should always wear high-traction safety footwear to minimize the risk of slip.